Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky, and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan as well as Quality Business Consultant. And what I'd like to do today is to introduce you all to my financial model that's customized for the beauty supply store business. And I want to show you all how to use it to quickly and easily create your pro forma financial projections for your beauty supply store. So the way the video is going to play out is, first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, we're then going to walk through the financial model or the Excel portion of my beauty supply business plan template. So my beauty supply business plan template comes with a Word document and an Excel financial model. And in this video, the tutorial, we're going to go through the financial model. In a separate tutorial, I went through the Word document, how to use what's included in it, and so on and so forth. All right, so as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant, as well as doctoral candidate. I am a professional writer as well as a professional strategic planner. And so if y'all do need some help with writing a business plan or writing a strategic plan, be delighted to assist. Just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Several of my books are focused on business plan writing, so please feel free to check me out there. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you're good to go with your business plan, your strategic plan is looking even better, but those pro forma financial projections are just keeping you up at night, again, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist in that aspect. All right, so enough about me. Let's talk about the star of the show, which is my financial model. So this is my financial model, and this is a portion of what is included in my business plan template that is focused on a beauty supply industry. And this is the Word document that comes with it as well. Say hello, Word document. All right, and so for this financial model, it comes in 4 tabs. Your information tab. In the information tab, this is where you're going to make all of your changes. And when you make the changes, they are going to permeate and go through the projections tab, the profit and loss tab, and the income statement tab as well. And when you're working with the information page, you'll be changing any of the cells that have the darker color cells, like these right here. Those are the changes you're going to make. When you make them, they'll go through the, again, they'll go through the template. All right, so let me go ahead and introduce the rest of the pages, and then I'll show you how to use this information page. The next tab is going to be your financial projection tab, and here's a summary of all of the information that's going to be calculated from the information page. And also I do include a bonus graph right here. It may or may not be included in the final model, but if it is, it's a bonus. If not, you know, like I said, it's a bonus. All right, next is going to be your pro forma financial projections. So I do include pro forma financial projections for the first year, month to month, and then break them into quarter, month 1 through 3, quarter 1, 4 through 6, quarter 2, and so on. And next is going to be your pro forma income statement. That is your income statement for the next 5 years, calculated annually. And any changes, like I said, are going to be made on this tab right here. And for this tab, I do break this into categories as well. So the first category is going to be your daily sales. And the way that I've got it broken down to is that we're going to project what your average customer is going to purchase. So for this example right here, I'm saying that you're going to average about 32 customers per day. Average sales price is going to be about $43 per ticket, and the variable cost is going to be about 35%. Now, if you're going to be working with about 40 customers a day, then just change it to 40. If you think your average tickets could be $60, then change it to 60. If your variable cost is going to be closer to 50%, change it to 50. So whatever your average ticket number for your customers is going to be, you'll change it there. This is the number of days you're going to be open per week. If you're going to be open 6 days, put 6. 5 days, put 5. If it's going to be 7 days, leave it at 7. Next section is going to be your labor. How much are you going to pay yourself and your executive team? For this example, I'm saying it's going to be $3,000. And then underneath is going to be how many employees you're going to be working with. If you're going to have 4 employees, put 4. If it's going to be 1 employee, put 1. 0 employees, put 0. And then what you're also going to do is estimate the rate of pay. For this example, I'm saying it's 15. And then finally, the hours they're going to be working per week. 172 represents a full-time employee. If they're going to be part-time, then just adjust the hours accordingly, but just make sure it's on a monthly basis. The next section is going to be your startup cost section. The first 2 lines is how you're going to fund your organization. For this example, we're saying that you're going to be investing $20,000 in equity, and then you're going to be taking a loan of $80,000 with a total funding of $100,000. And then underneath is going to be where you're going to be allocating your money. These first 2 lines are static right here. These titles can't be changed, your initial bill or purchase, and then your working capital. And then all the numbers, of course, can be changed. And then these titles right here can be changed as well. And you're just going to go through it and you're going to allocate your $100,000 in these various categories, or you can change the titles to different categories however you see fit. The next section is going to be your monthly fixed cost, and this is just going to help you identify what your monthly fixed costs are going to be, whether it be rent, utilities, office expenses, insurance, accounting, advertising, and then other. The other is a catch-all, and then it'll sum it right here. The next section is going to be your tax rate, how much you're going to be paying in taxes, put it there. And then this section right here is going to be the first 5 lines is going to be your growth rates for the next 5 years. And then the subsequent lines under here, these are the growth rates for your expenses on an annual basis. And then we got the final section right here, your loan information. Whenever you put a dollar amount here for a loan, for $80,000, this is an example, it will automatically populate down here. Then you can go ahead and change your interest rate and change your terms here. Your payment will automatically be calculated, and again, it will be updated throughout your financial projections. So once you're done going through your financial model, updating this, these pieces of information, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go into your Word document, and you are going to update the financial projections in your Word document. So for example, once we're done with the financial model, we're going to go ahead and hit Control-C, which is copy. Then we're going to go to a pro forma income statement in the Word document. We're going to highlight the old one, then hit backspace, then hit Control-V. And now we have our updated pro forma income statement in our Word document. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. All right, so in summary, if you're interested in buying my beauty supply store business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a tutorial, and that is a separate. That's in a separate video. It also comes with the basic financial model that we just reviewed, and this video itself is the tutorial for it. There are some limitations to my business plan template. First, that it is not compatible with Google Docs, and it's not compatible with Apple products like Apple Pages. Also, if you have questions about my beauty supply store business plan template before you buy it, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to have a great conversation about what's included in my beauty supply business plan template and so on. However, after you purchase the beauty supply business plan template, I do not offer free phone support. You can utilize any one of my tutorials. I do offer free tutorials on how to use my templates, and you can access the tutorials before you buy, and that link is right here. But if you want me to fill out the template for you, you try, it's just not working out for you, I do charge a fee to fill out the template for you, but that is an option. And if you are interested in buying my beauty supply store business plan template, the link is right here to purchase it. And then finally, if you don't want to mess with templates and you don't want to mess with tutorials, you just want your darn beauty supply business plan done and just written by somebody else, I'd be delighted to write you a custom beauty supply business plan. All you have to do is go to this link right here, select a package, and then let me know, and we can get the process started for you. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.